Hello guys, this is Progress FS speaking. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned whenever I post any video. Yes guys, yesterday I tried to trade the impulse correction on H1, which failed. The reason being that I did not respect one of the essential part of the rules, and that rule is whenever the 220 moving averages crosses and happens to cross above the 34 moving average, it means it is a strong trend and should be respected until the H1 indicates an impulse correction move before a reversal will be traded. So I did not respect that rule because, being a new year, I was inquisitive to make entry. Anyways, so that was why it failed. So today we've made entry. I just posted it on my Signal group, Telegram Signal group. Yeah, like you can see, this is the precise candlestick in view. Remember, what we are trading is impulse correction on H1 and H4. So this is not an overall reversal. So this is the precise candlestick that I'm always looking for. So when you look at this place, it is the only candlestick that touched this red 20 moving average and closed below it right from the beginning of the trend. What I used to do is I used to set my stop loss, as you can see here, at the beginning of the candlestick, while my entry is at the closure of the candlestick. So which means even if I am to take a sell, or should the trade go bad, it means I will lose about 25 pips. Yeah, when you look at this place from 260.47 entry point to 263 and 2663 SL point. So the implication is the stop loss is going to be about, with 0.01 loss size, is going to be about $2.5. Yeah, which is not much as compared to the profit target. When you look at the profit target, I'm targeting 100 pips and 200 pips. So which is $20, $10 and $20. Yeah, that is the calculation. So which means even if I should take loss and the signal comes again and I make entry, I will still recover my previous loss. So guys, that is it on this trade. Let's wait for the profit.
8 hours later.
Welcome back guys. You can't believe what is going on here. What a massive profit. Progress FS is indeed a genius. So as you can see, after some hours, the market sank down, and of course the 100 pips have been achieved. It is currently around 160 pips. So, and certainly the TP we hit, and that will not be long from the next 1 to 2 hours. Remember, this is impulse correction, so it usually moves very slow, and that is why we are witnessing what we are witnessing here. So, but if it is a trend, the speed to which this trade will be actualized will be very different. So this strategy is apt, zero risk. As you can see, yesterday, like I said, I lost $6, but I have made over times 10, or do I say 7 to 10 of the same amount using 0.01 lot size. That is how apt, how efficient this strategy is. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell.